Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Notify for Xiaomi app. The first way to install the app is to go into the Play Store, and then here you can simply search for Notify for Xiaomi and then tap on the Notify for Xiaomi app from 10 bits. If your band is of the proper versions, that is 8, 9 or 10, then this is the app you want. If it's an older one, you want to tap on 10 bit here. This will take you to their apps, and you can pick one of the older ones, for example this one for Mi Bands 1 through 7, this one for Amazfit and Zap, or just look through them if that's not what you want. But you want to tap on your app, then choose install, and once it's installed you can open it and use it like normal. If you don't have the Play Store, the place you want to go to would be your browser. In here, go to APKPure.com, that is APKPure.com. Here, search for Notify for Xiaomi. And then here, choose the app you want. The same options appear: 1 through 7, 8 through 10, Amazfit and Zap. Just go to the app. I will demonstrate on this one. Let's go to the app, wait for the little thing to finish loading, tap on download app. Then you can scroll down and tap on download X app, which will download the X APK file, for which you might need the APKPure app, so that I will actually demonstrate on this one, maybe a bit better. Just wait for it to finish loading the download app. Click on it, scroll down, and you will see fast download with APKPure. This will allow you to tap on it, and it will now install an installer, which you can tap on install. Then once it's installed, you can open it, then use the package installer of your phone. This will install the APKPure app. You can scan it if you want, or not scan it. I recommend scanning any apps you try installing to make sure it doesn't have any viruses. Then after waiting for a bit, the Google Play Protect services will finish scanning it. Your phone may not have that, so don't worry if you don't see it. You can tap on install, and it's going to start installing the app, which then again your phone may have an inbuilt scanner too, so just open the app afterwards. And then if you used the install from the Notify for Mi Band, then it's going to start installing it for you. You probably won't even have to tap on anything new. Then simply tap on open, and you'll be able to get into the app and start using it however you want. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.